Welcome to another How to Bake, and today we are going to bake a simple white bread. Why should you buy breads when you can bake them yourself? Let's start with the ingredients. We need a strong high protein bread flour, water, dry yeast, some salt, sugar and butter. Put all your ingredients into the mixer. Make sure your water is around 22 degrees Celsius. This will help activating the yeast and the dough will be well developed. Start mixing slow until all ingredients are well mixed. Then mix fast until your dough has reached a temperature around 27 degrees Celsius. Then it should be well developed. Now divide your dough into two pieces. I'm using 385 grams for a small loaf. We are going to shape the dough pieces into a pill. Now cover your dough and let them rest for 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can prepare our bread tins. Use some oil inside your tins. This will prevent the breads from sticking after baking. Now it's time to shape our dough into breads. Push all of the gas out of your dough, fold it and then shape it. This way you won't get holes in your bread. Now put the dough into your tins and make sure the closure is underneath. I am using my box to let the breads proof. Put some warm water inside to create moist and heat. Now let the breads proof for around 70 minutes. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 250 degrees. After 70 minutes your dough should have reached a volume like this. I am using a sharp knife to make two cuts. This will give a nice look to your breads. Now they are ready to bake. Use some water to create steam. This will result in a better looking bread. After baking, brush your breads with cold water. This will make them very shiny. Thank you for watching. Did you like this video? Then leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.